I have been on dialysis for the last 25 years and I yet lead a completely normal life. I work, travel, exercise and have fun. Vikram and I started NephroPlus in 2009 to enable every dialysis patient to lead a completely normal life. And we believe that good things happen when we all come together.
After receiving overwhelming support from the patients in India, we have expanded recently into Philippines, Nepal and Uzbekistan. Our vision is to enable people on dialysis across the world lead long, happy and productive lives. Stronger Together is our way to reaffirm our commitment to better dialysis care.
Supported by our clinicians, best of medical minds, our technicians and our staff, and of course our guests who motivate us to deliver excellence every day.
Join us for a first of its kind Kidney Health and Dialysis Care Virtual Health Summit as we engage the best of the clinical minds
to share their knowledge and perspective on matters of science and clinical care. As top thought leaders deliberate on how to turn big ideas into powerful actions that better lives, because we are stronger together.